Alrighty guys, it is all the trades and it is Sunday. I just saw this come in 38 minutes ago. US futures sink after Moody's downgrade. Kind of thinking I'm calling BS on it. I don't know, maybe they're right, maybe they're wrong though. I want to err on the side of keep doing what I'm doing and looking on long-term US economy doing better. And we are going to put one more on the micro future MES option with how that's setting up. I don't know if I agree with the news on that, and since I closed down the other ones on Friday, couple on Friday, we're going to nibble, which we put on the 6170 strike. And if anything, I'll roll out the May 23rd end of Monday. Alrighty guys, we're actually just going to roll that one, I think, tonight on Sunday at 10 Mountain Time, pretty much 10 p.m. Alrighty, that is rolled out. The only reason I did that was because I just don't really like getting super close to expiration, so I just like to do it once it gets a little closer like that. Well guys, just after 11 a.m. Mountain Central Time, thought I had my record straight on, ended up closing all those out that I rolled. Here is a screenshot of all the ones I just did that I thought I had my recorder on. Ended up not pressing enter, getting a little too ahead of myself. But the reason I did that is because I ended up breaking a lot more even, or at least a little better from that loss. I just wanted to close everything out and just go back in a little smaller. Now we're at the 6175. I may put in like one or two more, but that's about it. Or maybe just like one more. Alrighty guys, it is all the trades, 7:07 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Just showing what the positions look like this morning. Got into another futures contract options this morning. I think later last night on the second one. So that's what they look like right now. And we may put one more on the micro future options, longer dated, like same expiration cycle, if the 4-hour chart ends with the green Higurashi like this, since the day, weekly, and monthly I am liking still. Alright guys, so we're going to jump into that a little early. Alrighty guys, so we're actually also going to manage the IWM I have that's on June 6th. We're just going to roll it out to June 30th, same strike, going to pay $52. If it keeps dropping even further, which it hasn't really dropped a lot, I'm not saying it has, it's just if it does, instead, if it's still pretty far dated, we'll just start rolling it down within that chain. And I'll just put that limit order back on that one just in case. So now it's at 80, so we'll do 1080. Alright, and that one is managed. Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of talk about the Moody's downgrade that happened on Friday, which was the first time since 1917 that Moody's downgraded it. I just kind of find it weird how they did it right around now, and I think the better time if Moody's was going to do that with the U.S. government debt and the credit rating system would have been, I don't know, I think would have been about the pandemic when they did all the stimulus checks and had our economy shut down, you know, from the time in 2020 to 2021 where our M2 money supply rose by 40%, which was the biggest increase the US in 1 year has seen. But I guess that wasn't enough for them to downgrade it then, at least with Moody's. So I think a lot of this is priced in. Everybody knows we have a lot of debt, but at least now things are kind of changing with, you know, becoming, or hopefully becoming, more of a U.S. tariff-based economy again, and not just driven by income taxes. So I think it's all priced in. I think, honestly, I don't want to say political or anything like that, but I think it's just kind of, you know, whatever, because at least things now have a potential in our economy to change, and change for the better for our economy, comparison to any other time in my life, at least. Alright guys, I think we're going to nibble a little more on that. But we're definitely going out a little farther. The reason I'm nibbling a little more there, guys, is with this. Some ways I'm not really sure if I disagree. Some ways I'm not sure if I agree. I think they should have done it last time. I thought they were going to do it the last time they were. I think I did a video about it. But with him not doing it the last time, who knows? I'm not really sure. So I think the odds of a rate cut coming up in June 17th is pretty slim. But we'll see. Alright guys, it is end of day, pretty much 1:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, May 20th. Just want to close up my video right now. This is how everything is looking. Just let everybody know too, did another $100 withdrawal, just so I can close out a bank account that I'm no longer using, but need to do another withdrawal so I can do a closeout on a secured credit card that has never really helped me. That's the reason I'm doing that. So, like, you know, may get a little hit on my FICO, but my FICO is really good, so I'm not even concerned about that. But that's why I'm doing that withdrawal. And this is how everything's looking. I think things bounce nicely, like how I was thinking from there. Hopefully just keeps going up. But this is the end of day wrap up. So just showing everything. So alright guys, have a good one.